saying that I should get a Surron. Who's in agreement with this?
They're more sneaky.
They are more sneaky. We could do like 3 a.m. rides and stuff like that. Have you seen my last short of the what would you choose, the electric or gas?
Yeah.
You don't want to read the comments. Look, I got like 90% of people, if not more, saying to stay with gas and to leave electric for women. What do you say about this, Brian?
Everyone has their opinion, but the Surron is great in places where you're not supposed to be because they don't know.
Shut up, bitch!
We are gonna get on his Surron, my pit bike. We're gonna go visit Johnny's track. You guys probably seen a video probably a year ago or so. We're gonna go check out the track. He has a full-size pit bike, dirt bike track, and we're gonna have a good time like always. So we're gonna start off here, go way up there, and just do everything else in between. Let's get on the road. If you guys don't have Onyx off-road yet, or any sort of Onyx in general, you guys should definitely check out Onyx. This is a great way to like look at different trail maps all over the place, different property lines, things like that. Today, since we're a local urban rider, we're not out in the woods like snowmobiling. What I am gonna do is track my locations, and we'll see how many miles we're gonna do today, and I'll let you guys know. Trying to scratch up my new helmet, the carbon fiber. I don't know what it is about new like gear and stuff that gets me excited, man. I'm feeling pumped. New gloves, new jersey, new helmet, new goggles. I can finally see because my old Fox goggles were just destroyed. I could never find lenses for them. If you guys need new gear, check out 509. I'll have them in the description below. Totally nicked that railing with my left foot. Could have been scary. Johnny's track, but we're gonna take a little detour and try to see if there's a cool spot to like build a little track as well somewhere out in these areas.
We gotta pick our way to the top?
Yeah.
Like we're on a sled?
Yep. I guess we're boondocking. A lot more rough than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, I didn't think it was gonna be that bad.
Talking about like getting permission or something to set up the airbag right here with a jump would be freaking sick. We should actually try to figure out how to do that and like make it work. Got the drone up in the air right now. Gonna see if we can get some interesting drone shots. Neutral. Alright, we're gonna try again. Stuff in here. Little log hops or stump hops. Brian's doing it really like smoothly and easily with that thing. Hey Johnny, how you doing? It's been a little while.
You guys out wheeling it down the road. How you doing, Johnny?
I'm Brian.
Good to meet you, Brian.
This is a 125 or 250?
That one's a 250, but Alex rides a 125.
I want to get a, I have a shifter cart and I'm trying to put a 250 two-stroke in it.
Oh, really? What?
It has a 125 CR250 in it right now, and it goes 90, I think 93 or 97 miles an hour, but I want to put a 250 in it. Any updates on the tracker? It's been the same.
Made a big huge tabletop. No one's tried to go after it yet. So yeah, have fun out there, man.
Thank you.
We might walk over and watch it for a little while or something.
Thanks for letting us come out.
Yeah. Just be careful, man. Right on.
All right, let's get out there and check it out. It's been quite a while since I've been out here. I've done this jump. Just takes a little speed to go to. I haven't done that. Well, I have done that one. This one. Oh, that's the tabletop he's talking about. Oh, no. Maybe it's this one. This thing's huge. That one?
Yeah, that's a big one.
That's huge. Not for me.
Yeah. See how I do on this? It's been a long time.
It's just a twist and go? Oh my gosh.
They are kind of dangerous, so take it easy. Because it'll surprise you how much torque it has if you drop it.
Does it have like different mapping modes and everything?
Yeah.
That's so sick.
It's on like the medium power setting.
That'll be fun.
They're both got to get used to the bikes. I don't think I've ever seen Brian on a dirt bike.
This thing's wild.
Yeah, this thing's wild, dude. I told him he's gonna get hooked on it. They're pretty cool, man. It's sad to say, but they're pretty cool. Not gonna lie.
This thing is like awesome.
Yeah, I told you you're gonna get hooked.
Dude, it's like it's so weird though. When you twist the throttle, it gives you like half a second before it kicks in.
Yeah, then it's like a power band. Yeah.
I know.
We're switching bikes. I'm gonna get on a KX250. It's been a while. Said it feels like a pocket rocket. Oh, bro, I need to get used to that. I ain't hit no jumps on this thing.
Dude, this thing's like, it's actually a pocket rocket.
You get what I'm saying? Feels like a little 450 on a small bike.
There's a lot of engine braking though.
Yeah.
Like I let off.
Yeah, I had to get used to this one because it was like more of a neutral feel. It's like a nice hard dry dirt, so it like slides super easy. Don't want to push the front brakes too much. Neutral. I made it, man. Oh, you good?
No back fender no more.
It's pretty much what I almost just did too. But my bike stalled. Hey, now we're twinning. Look at this.
Oh, hell yeah.
That was a good way to end the day, no?
Yeah, that was great.
All right, so we rode, you can see 20 and a half miles today. If you guys want to track your activity, see how many miles you're doing, track your locations, especially if you're going out in the woods, go to our link in the description down below, Onyx Off-Road. Check them out, guys.
All right, pause it.